Hello, I'm Hosheyah Israel, and 2 weeks ago, I signed up for the Drone Command virtual 3-day seminar. Not knowing what to expect, I signed up anyway. Of course, I fly drones, but I wanted to make money flying my drone, but didn't have any information as to how to go about doing it. So I signed up for the seminar, not knowing what to expect. But to my surprise, I learned more than I bargained for. I learned the 4 pillars to a successful drone business. I learned that there are thousands of opportunities for flying a drone. Some of them I never heard of, but I found out by going to the Drone Command course. Also, I learned a bunch of marketing skills that will allow me to be able to market my drone business as soon as I began and to make money with my drone.